Hello friends, welcome to Triction Tech. Today I will show you scheduling meeting on Google Meet and invite students from Google Classroom. After seeing my video, please like and subscribe my channel. So for creating a creating a meeting in Google Meet and join into the Google Meet, so we are needed a Gmail ID. So I already opened my Gmail ID. First, what you have to do, scheduling a meeting. For scheduling a meeting, what we have to do, go to this 9 dots, there is a Google Apps. So clicking this one. Now what you have to do, scheduling a meeting, just click on calendar. So click on calendar. Then afterwards, you can see in the left hand side, create. So click on plus symbol. So this interface will be appear. So what you have to do, give the title of the meeting. For example, I am giving online lecture. Then afterwards you can set the reminder also. So you have to click on date page. So when we are clicking date, so it will be asking. Then afterwards timing, what time you have to set. For example, I am setting for 7:45 a.m. And here it will be asking, I can give 3 hours, 4 hours. So there are many options that you can select. So after selecting, there one more option is there, add guest. So add guest is used for the guest. For example, add guest, we have to give the email added the guest. Then afterwards, this optional add location you can give. So I'm giving add location will be. Next one, add description of the meeting. So I'm giving related to HTML. So then afterwards, what the important things you have to schedule a meeting, what you have to do, add a Google Meet video conferencing. When we click this link, after clicking, the one link will be appear. So this is the link. So automatically the copy link also coming. So click on copy meeting link. So after clicking, so you can see link successfully copied. Then you have to save this meeting. So this is saved. Then what you have to do, you have to paste this link to the Google Classroom. So this is the Google Classroom I am opening. So you can see Classroom. Now the Classroom is opening. So I already created many classroom. So I want to paste this link to the particular class. For example, I am selecting 12th A. So after selecting, so you can see in the stream option, the one option is there, share something with your class. So you have to click, then paste this link. So it will, you can set the option also, all the students, your particular students you have to send. So I am selecting all the students, then posting. So you can see, now it is posting. Now the post is created, you can see from here. So this is a link is created by the teacher. Now I will tell you how to join into the Google Classroom using link by the students. So now I am opening the students email ID. So this is the students email ID. So what the students have to do, so they have to click on Google Apps. So directly they have to go to the Google Classroom. This is the students Google Classroom. So now the student is opening Google Classroom. So you can see this is the students of 12th A. So the students is clicking 12th A. Then afterward the students will be see that this link is sent by the teacher. So what the students have to do, click on that link. So this is the students interface. So you can see. So in the students interface, it will be asking ready to join. What the students have to do, just click on ask to join. So this is used by the students. Now I will show you how to conduct meeting for the teacher, how to start the meeting. So what the teacher have to do, go to Google Calendar. So what teacher have to do, click that one. Then automatically it will be coming to join with Google Meet. So what the teacher have to do, click on that link. So this is the interface of the teacher. For the teacher, it will be appearing. For the name of the title is online lecture. So no one else is there because it is started by the teachers. Then afterwards, what the teacher have to do, click on join now. Now this is the this is the interface of the teacher. So here you can see someone wants to join this meeting. So the students who wants to join this meeting, what the teacher have to do, just to click on admit. So you can see the student is joined. So in this way, the teacher can schedule a meeting for the students using Google Classroom. So one more option is there for the students, you can see. So when the teacher is sending a link to the Google Classroom, the intimation or invitation will be will be coming into the Gmail ID for the students. So this is the Gmail ID of the students. When the students will click this link, this email, so automatically it will be coming like this. So what students have to do, click on open. So it will be directly move to the students classroom. So this is the students classroom is opening. What students have to do, just to click on that link. So ready to join. So what the students have to do, join now. So in this way, students will join into the Google Classroom by Google Classroom. So in this way, the teachers have to schedule a meeting and students join into the meeting using Google Classroom. Thank you.